Donnie?
Hi, how's it going? What are you doing?
That scared me.
What?
That scared me.
Scared you?
You scared me. You have some chocolate on your cheek.
That's actually
It's on his chin.
On
That's
your
the
chin.
chin.
She
made me eat a moose. That's the chocolate mousse. That's awesome. Wait, I need to get the... Hello there, how's it going?
Where's the shoe?
I don't know. Stop flying, you took it.
Oh.
You ruined the magical movement.
That's kind of creepy.
What in the camera?
Which one?
Yeah.
That one. That one.
No.
Alright, no it. I need it back.
You make it look so much worse since his pants aren't even on.
How did his pants get off?
He's not wearing his belt, so.
Yeah, I keep getting scared.
So your pants just fall off?
Yep.
That's
No, when I run, they'll fall off. Luckily, I was short.
I moved the couch. I don't want that. That's dangerous. He can
no,
hurt me.
I'll save you. Am I helping?
No. I don't even know what you're doing. Wait, who are you trying to help? Him?
I don't know. Am I helping someone?
That sounded really painful.
Thank you.
So yeah.
Hi!
Oh my god!
Hi!
What are you doing?
I thought it would be cool if I did this. This hurts my waist.
You're going through the window! Yeah, white stuff on you now. So yeah, that's my little brother. There's climbing through the window. And now it's him going all crazy with my friends.
Yeah.
He got in!
Yeah. It's not that difficult to go through.
Go, put me down, put me down, put me down!
Alright.
So, yeah. Oh, you're hitting me! You're hitting... Don't stop it!
Am I in it?
Yeah,
You're in it now. He dropped the picture. He dropped the picture. How do you lock it? So yeah, I'm normally home with him all the time. Yeah, and that's probably the end of my video. There's nothing more. Oh my god, my hair's all messy. But yeah.